Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so what I'm going to do is take these pick and drop braids out of my hair. Alright, so all you need is scissors. That's it. Okay, I'm going to show you guys my hair before I take it down. I had these in for 1 month. That's it. So, like I said, about to show you guys my hair real quick. Okay. Alright. It's super loose. It's so loose. Yeah, see? Dirt. Straight dirt. Deadly loose. Okay. Yeah, see, it is super loose. Okay. So that's the bag over here. Definitely about to get started, okay? This will do a thumbnail. Alright, y'all, about this to some music. Alright, so what I'm doing is taking the rubber bands off. The reason why I'm taking the rubber bands off is because I might reuse this hair. I'm going to wash this hair, condition this hair and everything. So that's why I'm not cutting the braids at all. Alright, so that's what I'm doing. Because you can reuse braid in here. Okay. Alright, so once you take the rubber bands off towards the middle of your braiding here, then you're going to unravel right here. Okay, so show me the whole thing. Maybe two more.
Yeah. No.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. How much I miss, I know.
Alright, y'all. So I'm going to finish the back off camera. Alright, so let me show you guys my hair. You know, ooh, you got a lot of flakes in the front, but it did be dirty, y'all. So I'm just gonna wash it and stuff. But yeah, so that's the back. Alright, y'all. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate all of y'all. God loves you. I love you. Peace out.